guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kabela, and if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button down here and support the sister. Many more videos to come like this, many more fashion videos, skincare videos, everything. I mean, like, it's fun up in here, so click the subscribe button and do like before you proceed on watching, because I guarantee you it's a great video. You had to trust me. So today I achieved this makeup look using two Maybeline Fit Me foundation. I can't find the other one, but it's shade 350 and 355. Oh, here it is. So it's shade 350 and 355, and we achieved the overall skin tone as our hands. I thought I was shade 352, and then I noticed that it is the wrong undertone and it just disappears in my skin. It literally looks like I literally just washed my face. Hence, I am mixing these two little babies. This is actually a gray foundation, and it's not so matte, it's not so dewy, so it is full coverage if you keep stippling on and just adding it. And I used the brush and I finished off with the beauty blender while applying this too, and I've had them for over about like from last year December. I'm not sure, but then I've been mixing those twos and I love them so much. So thank you so much. Before you even watch, thank you so much, and I'm grateful. Know that I love you very much. See you next time. Mwah. purplish look. I wanted to do a neutral pink purplish something. I just popped on a gloss on top of the lipstick that I had from Revlon because it's a little bit of pink. So added a little bit of purple, and my next high shine gloss, I am gonna leave the description of it on the description box, so make sure to check for it and go and buy. So basically this is it, and I used two foundations from the Maybelline Fit Me. I can't find where the other one is, but I have the 350 and the 355. I bought the 355 first, and then I noticed it is a little bit too dark as it oxidizes when time goes by. Hence I use it on my outer face, and I use the 350 which is kind of a little bit light, but it oxidizes well, and I use it on my inner face. Hence I overdo it with the highlighter to make your inner face pop out so people can look at those type of pictures. So it's the 35 and the 350 and the 355. I actually thought my shade on the Fit Me Maybelline was 352 because it's kind of like the shade in between. I just went to clicks this morning, and I just realized that it is the wrong undertone, and I tried it on and it literally disappeared into my face, and girl, we're not having that. So hence I'm like, okay, it's fine, I'm just gonna continue mixing this too. And this is not so expensive. Okay, it's not expensive, it's not an expensive foundation, so I can afford to buy two. It's 99, no, it's 109 rands each, so it's about 220 for two. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. To watch my other videos and support the sister, click the link up here, and for subscription, click the subscribe button down here. I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm so grateful for all my subscribers, for all the likes, for all the views. So share this on your group chats, on your WhatsApp chats, on your Facebook chat. Share, because sharing is caring, and I love you very much.